Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how Poland is becoming a superpower, step by step. We'll explore the key factors driving its remarkable transformation. Poland has made impressive strides in economic development and modernization, establishing itself as a significant player in Europe. Strategic investments in infrastructure have greatly improved connectivity, both domestically and internationally, fostering further growth. Poland's economy has shown robust expansion, with growth rates often exceeding 5% annually. This strong performance attracts substantial foreign direct investment, totaling over $250 billion, which creates numerous job opportunities. Key sectors like automotive, information technology, and advanced manufacturing are thriving, contributing significantly to the nation's prosperity and global competitiveness. Poland is rapidly strengthening its geopolitical and military standing. Defense spending has significantly increased, now exceeding 3% of its GDP, demonstrating a strong commitment to security. As a vital member of NATO, Poland plays a crucial role in enhancing regional stability. The ongoing modernization of its armed forces, including acquiring advanced equipment, further solidifies its defensive capabilities. Poland's future looks bright, driven by continuous investments in research and development, fostering a culture of innovation. A highly skilled workforce, supported by a robust educational system, ensures sustained growth across various sectors. This combination positions Poland for continued influence on the global stage. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.